this. One of my colleagues, Ola, has come up with his take on polyglot programming, where you basically have a stable layer, which is probably something like Java or C#. You have a dynamic layer, which is a dynamic language that runs on that platform, a Python or a Ruby or Groovy or something like that. And then you have domain-specific languages on the layer on top of that. So the way that this plays out is maybe you have Java on the bottom and Ruby in the middle and DSLs on the top, but you could also have Scala on the bottom and Clojure and JavaScript in the middle and DSLs on the top. That we're going to do more DSL development, and we're going to do that on top of more flexible languages and keep the really stable languages on the bottom. We need to exercise efficacy over dogma. We need to exercise lore over just arguments with enterprises. What works over enterprise architecture? Courage over the status quo. I saw this that fit nicely here. Courage is contagious, cowardice is infectious. And we should try niceness over assholery, which is another way of saying prefer essence over ceremony in all of its forms, in languages, in enterprises, in the way software is produced and consumed. Don't forget to fill out your evals. And I end with a quote. This is one of my favorite quotes that pertains to this. If you want to build a ship, don't herd people together to collect wood and don't assign them tasks and work, but rather teach them to long for the endless immensity of the sea. The best way to get your colleagues to do this is not lecture them and tell them that they should be doing it, is to actually do it and let them see things working better, and they will voluntarily follow you because they can see that you're on the right track. Thanks for coming. Hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Ja przypominam, że zaraz przyjdą hostesy i zbiorą ankiety